Do you want to become your best and move your life to the next level? Yes, so keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love and I welcome you to this video. Obviously, there are many ways to become your best and move your life to the next level. But in this particular video, I'm going to focus on two very specific things. Number one, excuses, and number two, perseverance. Let's take an example. If you want to get fit and if you want to get in shape, what stops you? Number one, excuses, and number two, perseverance. So we make excuses that, my bones are very big, or, everybody in my family is fat and I don't have time, and so on. And then even if we start the exercise rituals, we give up after 15 days. Why? The body starts paining and then you cannot take it anymore, so you give up. And if you don't persevere, then how can you become fit and how can you get in shape? And mind you, this applies for anything. If you want to become a businessman, the same rule applies. If you want to begin a startup or you want to become the, peak performer in your company, for no matter what you do, you have to get rid of your excuses and you will have to consistently take action on the things that are truly important for you. So here's what I want you to do. Make a list of all the excuses you are making and then get rid of them. Number two, identify what are the important activities, tasks you need to do to move to the next level and then consistently do them. I hope you like this idea. I will see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.